Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with chapter 2, acids, bases and salts. Basically, all these three terms we have already gone through in class 9th as well as in class 8th and also in class 7th. So, here we will be learning in detail about all these terms, different types of reactions of acids, different types of reactions of bases and how the salts are formed. We are also going to learn what are the different examples of acids, what are the different examples of bases and salts, how to identify whether the given substance is acid or whether it is a base or whether it is a neutral solution, salt. Okay, so we shall start with the lesson, good my dear students. So here you can see three different substances. First is hydrochloric acid, example of acid. Sodium hydroxide is a base, and a common salt, sodium chloride. It is a salt, mixture of acid plus base. So my dear students, you have learnt in your previous classes that the sour and the bitter substances in the food, why they are sour and why they are bitter. The sour is the taste for acids and bitter is taste for base. This you all already know. So now acids are sour in taste. वो एक important point असा आमकां. Second point, acids can change the color of blue litmus to red. Now how to remember this is, see acids वो letter A पासून start जाता. A नंतर रोखडोच कितें येता B. So blue याद दवरपाचें. Acids turn blue litmus red. Exactly vice versa. Bases turn red litmus blue. So how to remember? First acids येता. A जातकर B येता. B वेल्यान blue शब्द याद दवरपाचो. Acids turn blue litmus to red color, whereas bases turn red litmus to blue. Taste of acids is sour, taste of bases is bitter. These are 2 points of difference. Now, we are going to learn about indicators. So, what are indicators? I will be telling you in detail, but first we will just go through our previous knowledge. Litmus, class standard 8 जाला पळय, litmus paper. So, how the paper is formed from? It's prepared from lichens, that is the combination of alga and fungi, symbiosis जे आम्ही already शिकल्यान. So ताजे पासून litmus paper तयार जाता. So litmus is the example of natural indicator because तो नेचरा पासून मेळटा. Then turmeric म्हणजे हळद जे आम्ही किचनान यूज करता. So turmeric is another indicator. So now sometimes we take our breakfast very hurriedly, fast खाता आणि अचानक समजा व्हाईट शर्ट आसा किंवा व्हाईट कुर्ता आसा ताजेर कितें जाता करी पडली. देन यू सी अ येलो स्टेन ऑन दॅट. इट्स ऑफ टर्मेरिक, हळदीचो. बट वेन वी अप्लाय सोप ऑन इट, दॅट येलो कलर टर्न्स इंटू द रेडिश ब्राउन कलर. वाय? बिकॉज द सोप कंटेन्स बेस. सो बेस इज रिएक्टिंग with the indicator. So the indicator is changing its color. कितें जालो ताजो yellow to brown जालो. It indicates that soap has a base. So it turns yellow again when the cloth is washed with the plenty of water. परत तुमी जर ताका उदकान घाले आशिल्लो तसो तो yellow color जातलो. So you can also use synthetic indicators. First two examples तुमकां natural indicatorsचे सांगले. First कोण? It's a turmeric. Firstly litmus paper, second turmeric. हे वेगळे कॉलमान आसतले. मागीर synthetic. What do you mean by term synthetic? That is man-made. So man-made indicators. So students, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. These both are used for testing acids and bases. Going to the next slide. So here you can see a laboratory experiment where we are checking whether the given substance acid or base with the help of litmus paper. In the first case, left hand side, blue litmus is there, which is converted to red. That means it is a acid. In second case, red litmus is converted to blue, so it is a base. So now this is a pH paper. Two different types of pH papers are shown. First is red litmus paper, which is used for testing bases. Second is blue litmus paper, used for testing acids. In this lesson we are going to study the reactions of different acids and bases, how the acids and bases neutralize their effect, that is they cancel out each other's effects, and many more interesting things that we see in our daily life. So this I have, see, litmus solution is a dye. Dye means a color, purple dye, which is taken from lichens. This I have already mentioned. The plant belonging to the division Thallophyta. Now this litmus solution is called as indicator. When the litmus solution is neither acidic or nor it is basic, then its color is purple. Okay, there are some other natural indicators like red cabbage leaves, turmeric I have already told, some colored petals of flowers such as petunia, geranium, hydrangea, etc. Other natural indicators, at least 3 तुम्ही by heart करपा जाय, at least 3 natural indicators you should know. So indicators are used to find out whether given solution is acid, base or neutral. So these are called acid base indicators. Sometimes we say simply the term indicator. Now student, there is one experiment here. You are provided with 3 test tubes. Okay, एक test tube there is water, second test tube is an acidic solution, and the third solution is the basic solution respectively. Water, acidic solution and basic solution. Now you are given only the red litmus paper. फक्त किती दिल तुमका red litmus paper. How will you identify the contents of each test tube? Now here students, red litmus paper, that means जेन्ना तुम्ही बेजान ताका घालतले, you will get directly the blue color. So एक तुमका find out करपाक मेळ्ळो, direct base मेळ्ळी. Now the 2 solutions will be remaining. Out of 3 एक गेलो. Now out of remaining 2, one will be acidic, one will be neutral. How you will find out? Because now you don't have blue litmus paper with you. So how you will find out which is acidic, which is neutral? So what you have to do? Drop of basic solution, drop of one solution is mixed with the basic म्हणजे खंयचो जो तुम्ही ऑलरेडी काढला आता. स्टार्टिंग कळे तुमका रेड लिटमस पेपर यूज करून. सो तुम्ही कडेच काडटली. सो दॅट बेसिक सोल्युशन एक ड्रॉप घेवपाचो. ओके, ड्रॉप ऑफ दॅट सोल्युशन इज टेकन इन 2 डिफरंट टेस्ट ट्यूब्स आनी तातूंत मागीर एसिडीक सोल्युशन आनी वॉटर एक एक ड्रॉप घालतले. तुमकां खबर ना आतां वीच इज एसिडीक, वीच इज वॉटर, यू डोंट नो. So when you check with the red litmus, जेन्ना तुम्ही एसिडीक सोल्युशन आशिल्ले टेस्ट ट्यूबान ते घाल्ले आसतले थंय तुमचो कलर ब्लू जातलो. देन द सेकंड सोल्युशन इज न्यूट्रल आनी फर्स्ट सोल्युशन इज एसिडीक. सो बेसिक, एसिडीक एंड न्यूट्रल सोल्युशन तुम्ही काढले. वॉटर इज न्यूट्रल. सी, आय एम रिपीटिंग. You are supposed to take 3 test tubes. एका हातून तुम्ही वॉटर घाले, एका हातून एसिडीक सोल्युशन घाले, एका हातून बेसिक सोल्युशन घाले. तुमचे कडेन कितें आसा? रेड लिटमस पेपर आसा. सो रेड लिटमस पेपरान तुमकां बेज डायरेक्टली मेळटली. कित्याक रेड वील टर्न इनटू ब्लू. ती बेज काडून कडेक दवरपाची. आतां 2 सोल्युशनां उरलीं, एसिडीक आनी न्यूट्रल. हाव यू वील आयडेंटिफाय वीच इज एसिडीक एंड वीच इज न्यूट्रल? For this, the next activity, what you have to do? तुम्ही जो टेस्ट ट्यूब कडे काढून दवरला बेजीक म्हणून बेज ते सोल्युशनांतले 2-3 ड्रॉप्स टेस्ट ट्यूबान घेवपाचे 2 टेस्ट ट्यूब घेवप मार्क A एंड B एका टेस्ट ट्यूबान 3 ड्रॉप घाला दुसऱ्या टेस्ट ट्यूबान 3 ड्रॉप घाला ओके नाव यू आर रेडी विथ 2 न्यू टेस्ट ट्यूब्स A एंड B दोन्ही हातून तुम्ही कितें घाला बेजीक सोल्युशन घाला नाव द रिमेनिंग 2 टेस्ट ट्यूब जे फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंटाचे आमकां खबर ना वीच इज एसीड वीच इज वॉटर आमकां खबर ना सो ते दोन्ही टेस्ट ट्यूबांनी थोडे थोडे एड करप तातूंतले एका टेस्ट ट्यूबांतले आमी A आनी B मार्क केला तातूंत घालपाचें दोन्ही टेस्ट ट्यूबांतले इल्ले इल्ले सोल्युशन एंड नाव चेक विथ द रेड लिटमस पेपर अगेन ज्या सोल्युशनान रेड लिटमस पेपर ब्लू जालो दॅट इज एसिडीक सोल्युशन म्हणून कळटा आनी उरलेले न्यूट्रल कारण न्यूट्रल सोल्युशनान कांयच रिएक्शन तो दिवचो ना ओके so now going to the next understanding the chemical properties of acids and bases. So acids and bases in the laboratory. There are several numbers of acids and bases in our laboratory. So acids and bases जर आमकां समजपा जाय आतां आमी ऑलरेडी मेन्शन केला फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू नो हाव टू यूज द इंडिकेटर नाव वॉट इज अ इंडिकेटर द इंडिकेटर इज अ सबस्टन्स विच टेल्स अस वेदर द गिवन सबस्टन्स इज एसिडिक or basic. How is it doing that? By changing its color. Color change करून आमकां कळटा the given substance is acidic or basic. So there are some substances whose odor also changes. Odor म्हणजे कितें वास वास सुद्धा चेंज जाता. So instead of color here we are just testing for the odor. So such indicators are called as olfactory indicators. Vanilla, onion are the examples. Clove oil for the olfactory indicators. So students, olfactory indicators आमकां कशे indicate करता by changing their odor. पयलीं odor आसता मागीर मिक्सिंग केले काय ना तुमी एसिडिक बेजीक सोल्युशना बरोबर तो odor disappear जाता okay that time you come to know whether it is acidic or whether it is basic details about this please read the chapter खंयच्या सोल्युशनाक बेजीक सोल्युशनाक खंयचो इंडिकेटर वापरप एसिडिक सोल्युशनाक खंयचो इंडिकेटर वापरप this is regarding olfactory indicators so you just go through the lesson you will come to know my dear students why I am not explaining so that you should read the lesson कळ्ळें खंयच्या इंडिकेटराक तुमी खंय वापरपाचो olfactory indicators okay going to the next slide here it's a very one important experiment how do acids and bases react with metals okay now you can see reactions of zinc granules with dilute HCl zinc is a metal and dilute sulfuric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid means it's one type of acid. Acid आणि metal जेन्ना तुम्ही react करतले what is happening is the hydrogen gas is given out. Hydrogenaचो formula कितें hydrogen gasaचो H2. H2 is given out. So how do you come to know it's a H2? Gas म्हणून कसो कळटा you can see the bubbles coming out through the solution. So that means it's a gas. And how to test the gas is there is one test for it. Prior to that just see left hand side of the figure you can see yellow color that is dilute sulfuric acid and zinc granules are added to it. When the reaction starts there are bubbles you can see through the bent tube the bubbles are just coming to the soap solution and you can see the gas coming out now you have to find out which is this gas हे कळपाक जाय जाल्यार आमी कितें करप बर्निंग कॅन्डल न्ही त्या गॅसा कडेन हाडप बर्निंग कॅन्डल now when you bring the burning candle to this gas it will give you the popping sound पॉपिंग साऊंड म्हळ्यार कितें, आतां वेन यू प्रिपेर वेजिटेबल, वेन यू पुट मस्टर्ड सीड्स, भाजी करता आमी घालता पळय, ठप 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 आवाज येता. सो सेम टायप ऑफ साऊंड यू वील बी गेटिंग when once you bring that candle near to that hydrogen gas. आता जेन्ना तो popping sound आयलो, that means there is the liberation of hydrogen gas. So when metal are reacted with the acids, they give hydrogen gas. This is our conclusion. जेन्ना तुम्ही मेटल प्लस एसिड करतली, यू आर गेटिंग हायड्रोजन गॅस. आणि हायड्रोजन गॅस म्हणून कशें कळप, यू वील ब्रिंग burning candle near it and it will give you popping sound. Now just see students, same आत्ता जे पिक्चर पळयलें न्ही ताजें हें elaboration. Okay, so in this reaction what is happening, metal is displacement reaction शिकल्या काय ना आमी. So it's an example of that. So metal just displaces the hydrogen. तो कितें करता, एसिडांतले हायड्रोजन काडटा आनी ताजो जागो आपूण घेता. दिस इज सीन एज हायड्रोजन गॅस. मेटल, सो हायड्रोजन इज रिमूव्ड आउट एज अ गॅस. The metal combines with the remaining part of the acids and in turn it forms a salt. Now let us go to the reaction. Okay, just see the reaction. Acid plus metal. What is given is salt and hydrogen and hydrogen gas. So here down is the elaboration of that particular reaction. Example दिल्या. थंय वयर कितें केलां, पयलीं एसिड म्हणून बरयलां. ओके, सो एसिड, दॅट रिएक्शन इज फॉर द फाटल्यान जो आमी एक्सपेरिमेंट पळयला ताज्या खातीर. एसिडाच्या जाग्याचेर कितें बरयतलो तुमी, H2SO4, कित्याक आमी H2SO4 केला. आनी प्लस मेटलाच्या जाग्याचेर कितें बरयतली, झिंक. ओके, सॉल्टाच्या जाग्याचेर झिंक आनी एसिड मिक्स जालें आनी ZnSO4 तयार जालें. आनी हायड्रोजन गॅसाच्या जाग्याचेर H2 बरोवपाचें. सो ट्राय टू रायट डावन द रिएक्शन. इट्स गिवन ऑन युअर टेक्स्ट बुक, my dear students. Going to the next part, that is the reaction of metal with the bases. With the acids आमकां कळ्ळें, एक तर ते सॉल्ट दिता आनी कितें दिता, सॉल्ट एंड हायड्रोजन गॅस. नाव विथ द बेजीस, सोडियम हायड्रोक्साइड इज अ स्ट्रॉंग बेज. ओके, बेज प्लस झिंक, झिंक इज अ मेटल. बेज प्लस मेटल, it is giving you sodium zincate. So plus again hydrogen gas. But the thing is, these basic reactions are not possible for all the metals. Okay, so just see the reaction and direct तुमका example दिला. Base plus metal gives you sodium hydroxide plus zinc gives you sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. Now second type of reaction, how do metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with water? Just see the experiment. What we have done here, it's the sodium carbonate. Sodium is a metal, so sodium carbonate is one type of metal carbonate. Okay, in the test tube we have taken and we have added dilute hydrochloric acid. Once you start the experiment, what is happening is one type of gas is given out. त्या रिएक्शनान सुद्धा एक gas भायर सरता. So this is carbon dioxide gas. So what is happening, we are collecting that gas through that pipe, you can see, and just putting it in the test tube. Right hand side आमी एका टेस्ट ट्यूबान तो पायप सोडला. इन द टेस्ट ट्यूब यू आर सपोज टू एड कॅल्शियम हायड्रॉक्साइड सॉल्युशन. Now again I will repeat the activity, just listen carefully. एक टेस्ट ट्यूब घेवपाचो, add dilute hydrochloric acid plus metal carbonate. In this case we are taking sodium carbonate. Sodium is a metal. So once it starts reacting, carbon dioxide is evolved out. So that carbon dioxide is just passing through the tube and we are collecting that carbon dioxide in the test tube. The test tube is containing calcium hydroxide solution. So how we will come to know that it is a carbon dioxide is when we put that carbon dioxide in that test tube. We see that, yeah. First, I will explain you the reactions. First, the reaction occurring in the activity is test tube A, sodium. First, left side is our test tube हुआ था. Sodium carbonate, that is metal carbonate plus hydrochloric acid, giving you salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Second is metal hydrogen carbonate. See the difference between the formulas. Na2CO3, NaHCO3. H म्हणजे hydrogen. Metal hydrogen carbonate plus HCl. Products are same. दोन्हीकडे रिएक्शन प्रोडक्ट सेम असा. सोडियम क्लोराइड म्हणजे सॉल्ट प्लस वॉटर प्लस कार्बन डायऑक्साइड. Now on passing this carbon dioxide gas through the lime water म्हणजे जे तुम्ही राईट हँड साईड टेस्ट ट्यूबान घेतला पळय ते कॅल्शियम हायड्रॉक्साईड सॉल्युशन इज अ lime water. See, I am just turning the slide. So you can see right hand side calcium hydroxide solution. Yellow color असा पळय ते दाखयला तुमकां yellow. So when you pass that CO2 through the lime water, what is happening is white precipitate is formed. जेन्ना white precipitate form जाले, it means that it is a carbon dioxide. Understood? कितें जशें आमकां हायड्रोजन गॅसाचो पॉपिंग सावंड येतगर आमकां कळयल्ले तो हायड्रोजन गॅस, तसोच ह्या गॅसाचें कितें जालें, व्हायट प्रेसिपिटेट आयल्यो म्हणून त्यो कार्बन डायऑक्सायड. तश्यो न्ही फिक्स टेस्ट आसतात. कार्बन डायऑक्सायडाची फिक्स टेस्ट, हायड्रोजनाची फिक्स टेस्ट, नायट्रोजनाची फिक्स. सो फ्रॉम दोज टेस्ट वी कॅन मेक आउट वीच इज द गॅस लिबरेटेड. खंयचो गॅस आयला तें आमकां कळटा. ऑन पासिंग एक्सेस कार्बन डायऑक्सायड, सपोजींग तुम्ही कितें जातलें, जर तुमी हे रिएक्शन चालू दवरलें, आफ्टर सम टायम वॉट वील हॅपन, ऑल द प्रेसिपिटेट वील बी डिजॉल्वड एंड द सॉल्युशन वील बिकम कलरलेस. रायट हँड सायड टेस्ट ट्यूब कितें जातलो, सगळो प्रेसिपिटेट डिजॉल्व जातलो आनी सॉल्युशन कलरलेस जातलो. प्रेसिपिटेट म्हळ्यार तुमकां सांगिल्लें लेसन वना, इट इज अ white substance which is formed during the reaction. सांगिल्लें न्ही. Okay, so final reaction, calcium carbonate, this is right hand side test tube now, calcium carbonate plus water and we are passing carbon dioxide and we see that CaSCO3, this we have already gone through, just try to remember this formula which is soluble in water. So now you may get a question like, what are the three forms of calcium carbonate? Calcium carbonate, write any three forms of calcium carbonate. So limestone, chunno, chalk and the marble are the three forms. So students, all metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates react with acids. Just now we have seen this reaction. They react with acid to give salt, CO2 and water. So summarizing in the nutshell, we can say that metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid gives us salt, CO2 and water as the product. Thank you my dear students.